Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit photos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the gallery, and then we need to choose the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And in order to open the edit mode, we need to press this pen at the bottom of the screen. If you press on it, then you will find a bunch of different options. Keep in mind that some of them are even in the middle of the screen. At the bottom you can switch to different categories where you can apply some filters. You can also adjust the light balance, the brightness, the exposure, and so on and so forth. You can also draw. You can apply stickers, or even write in text. Finally, we also have some additional options like the object eraser, lasso, spot color, color mix, and style. Once you are done with the edit, you can press save in the top right corner in order to save the photo and overwrite the original photo. You can also press on these three dots instead and choose save as copy in order to keep the original photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.